Welcome to Rome Tips. Be sure to subscribe and hit that like button if you find this helpful. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. Also, keep in mind that this is based on my personal experience using the service. Today, we're exploring myriverstreet.net. While the site itself offers little information, it appears to be a URL shortener service. Upon visiting the site, you're greeted with a simple interface, devoid of elaborate explanations or marketing pitches. There's a prominent input field where you can paste a longer URL and a button to shorten it. The minimalist design suggests a focus on pure functionality over visual appeal. However, this lack of information raises questions about the service's features, longevity, and data privacy practices. It's unclear whether the shortened links offer analytics, custom branding options, or other advanced functionalities often found in similar services. The absence of any contact information or documentation makes it difficult to assess the reliability and support available. Potential users might hesitate to entrust their links to a service that provides so little information about itself. While the simplicity is attractive on the surface, the lack of transparency might be a significant drawback for some. It's important to proceed with caution when using such services, especially when dealing with sensitive or business-related links. A more transparent approach with clearer information on features, data handling, and contact details would greatly enhance the service's trustworthiness and encourage wider adoption. If you're looking for a basic URL shortener and prioritize minimal design, myriverstreet.net might suffice. However, if you require more robust features or value transparency and support, exploring alternative services would likely be a better option. Remember to always research and choose a URL shortening service that aligns with your specific needs and priorities. Before committing to any service, consider factors such as link lifespan, customization options, analytics, and of course, data privacy. It's always wise to err on the side of caution and opt for reputable services with a proven track record.